Hello everyone, this is Teacher Rockie and welcome back again to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we will talk about how to verify your identity in Google Adsense, and also we will share our experience, or the problem we encountered, when we try to verify our identity in Google Adsense. So if you are interested in this video, just watch this video until the end. Hello again everyone. By the way, we just want to congratulate you, because finally you are accepted to YouTube Partner Program. And now, you are in the next step, to verify your identity to Google Adsense, so you can receive payment and to continue earning in YouTube. We decided to divide this video into two parts, where in the first part we will share to you the step-by-step on how to verify your identity in Google Adsense, while in the last part we will share to you our experience upon verifying our identity in Google Adsense. Because we know that there are many newly YouTube creator who are accepted to YouTube Partner Program, are having a hard time fulfill this step because they can't provide the ID that's supported by Google Adsense. To start in the first part, just log in your Google Adsense account that are connected to your YouTube channel. If you're done logging in, then tap this 3 lines. Then tap Payment section, then Payment Info. After that, this one will appear. Just tap the Verify Now. Then this one will appear. As I said a while ago, you need to verify your identity in Google Adsense to receive payment and keep earning on YouTube. And to verify your identity you must have valid ID. It's either driver license ID, national ID, or passport ID. And if you already have this, just put a check mark on the box, then tap Begin Verification. Then this one will appear. To fill out, make sure your legal name is exactly matches to the legal name of the proof of identity document or in your ID. For example, if your last name is in the first line in your ID, you must input it first. Like this one, De La Cruz, Juan Bautista. And if you are done to input your name, next is uploading the photo of your ID. Make sure it's readable and not blurred. Then if you're done, just tap Next, then this one will appear. Just input your address, and once you're done, just tap Submit, and then this one will appear. If this message appear in your screen, all you have to do is to wait the response of Google Adsense via email. Now let's proceed to the last part of this video, where we will share our experience upon verifying our identity in Google Adsense. During our verification, we encountered problem because we don't have driver license ID, passport and national ID. That's why we decided to use the PhilHealth ID because this ID have the information needed like the birthday and address. But unfortunately we receive an email that this document is not supported. We're frustrated after receiving that feedback, so we contact the YouTube creator support and raise our concern. Then he suggests to try to submit one of our PRC card or our license ID for professional teacher. After contacting the support, we try his advice and wish it becomes successful. Then after 7 hours of waiting, we received an email that our identity is already verified. We thought that the result is also rejected because the address is not attached in the PRC ID, but luckily it's already accepted. So we suggest if you are having hard time in this identity verification, don't hesitate to contact the YouTube creator support and ask about your concern. They are very responsive and kind. They will help you until you fix your problem. This is the end of this video. We hope it will help you in the future. If you have any queries and suggestions, don't hesitate to share it in the comment section or message us in our Facebook page, Teacher Rockie. Thank you for watching.